recipe, you're going to need fruit of choice. I'm going to be using sliced cucumber and pineapple. Lift off orange, H3O, mandarin aloe, a cup of course. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of hot water just to help the lift off dissolve quicker. Go ahead and put that in there. Yes. Give it a little stir, help it dissolve. I'm going to go ahead and put my H3O in there as well. And it is 2 scoops of the H3O. Stir it up a little. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with ice. Okay, I went ahead and filled it up because I do like a lot of ice on my cup. I'm going to add a little bit of aloe. You can use the cap as measurement and put 1 in there. It's up to you. I just eyeball it basically. And I'm going to go ahead and add my fruit already. I'm just going to put it around the sides. Just stick it in there everywhere. One for taste. Put some pineapple. Like I said, you can use any fruit you want, but I kind of like this combo. Well, not kind of. I like this combo. I don't know. It just gives it a really good taste. Doesn't have to be all pretty. I'm just going to fill the rest up with water. And there you have it, guys. Here is the finishing look for it. Look at that. Cucumber everywhere. And obviously you stir this up with your cup. Isn't that super pretty? And you can see the fruit on the top. And all you do is add your straw. And you can hold this with, you can put a fork in there if you want to be scooping out the fruit while you drink it. It's up to you. It's so refreshing, so good, especially after you have a workout. This is like your Gatorade without all the sugar. It just basically hydrates you. It gives you your electrolytes that you need. So this one is a really, really good product that my kids love, especially when we go to the park. So highly recommend this, and it tastes super yummy in this combo. If you guys try it, go ahead and tag me, Nana Fit Club. And of course, if y'all want to follow me, share, subscribe, all of that stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.